have to represent the poor people. So 50% off.
Why? Pause. No Diddy. Blaze the fire. The righteous fire. And as usual, no time to waste. Let's get straight into it. And today we see Vybz Kartel. Yeah, Freedom Street concert. Yeah, man, from initial stages we've been wondering how it would have done, with the prices. Well above a lot of his fans' reach. Or if we say above, it's attainable, but it's hard. And, them times, yeah, man, it's not an easy thing for people to jump into that. People have to group up and, for try to get certain higher profile, tickets. But it's a thing. But we look and we see him say, I'm going to do 50% off, from Black Friday. You would have expect that, and if the Black Friday no sell off the ticket, then we expect to see more. And behind the scenes, we're hearing rumors of tickets being given away in certain communities. You don't know how short thing go. The stadium have to pack, whether the interest is there or not. You never really hear Chris Brown or Buju Banton or anybody else who did have a big show like that have to do, them things. But it's a difference still, It's a difference. Some people say Kartel water down himself too far. I don't know, but I could look on it now, people.
For bleachers, 50% off for the bleachers. Weird, right? But funny because it's true. So Black Friday, remember this, Vybz Kartel for the Gaza fans there. I will represent for poor people as well. You understand? Exactly. We are across all demographic, but we have to represent the poor people. So 50% off on Black Friday for bleachers. Get it? Bleachers.
Yes, so as you can see, 50% off on Black Friday. And as I was saying before, I don't know if it's because him show up himself so much at every club, so much sightings of him all over social media every day. I don't know if I water the thing get watered down because the hype was there initially. And I guess it's still there for some because the Gaza nation is still strong, but it's not proven to be the strongest, obviously. Yes, people, but we'll keep watching. Make this one quick and fast. One love. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Please comment. Help with the algorithm. Barely getting any comments, any likes. Out to do a video on the slow progress so far. Because we know progress coming eventually. So we need to put up the video of the progress them too. Blessed. One love. Yeah, man.